This picture is a story that got social media talking. Now, what happened? A young mother patronized an online vendor of weight gain pap, and by the time this picture was released, the child, 4 months old, was weighing about 47 kg. And this picture was actually a review that the mother sent to the online vendor. Now, I'm not here to blame the mother or question how healthy the pap was or is, but I'm here to address a wrong belief system that has been passed down from one generation to another, and that is a chubby child equals a healthy child. Now, I don't know who started this proposition, but in the long run, it has done more harm than good, as seen in the rise of mothers, young mothers, patronizing appetite enhancers for children who are just transitioning to solid foods, or even for infants who are trying to learn how to nibble or recognize their mother's nipples. This I consider absurd. Having a healthy child depends heavily on proper nutrition, genetics, and environment. Now, the body weight is a reflection of this. That is why often during immunization, the body weight of the child is first checked before any vaccine is administered. It means that if your child has a healthy weight for his or her age, he's supposedly healthy. Here's a chart that shows different ages with their respective healthy weight and height. While this is not the ultimate, it should simply serve as a guide showing you what an ideal weight is for any child's age. So before you jump right into conclusion that your child is not healthy, please check if their weight corresponds to their age. If that is it, perfect, your child is healthy. But if not so, please do well to consult the services of a certified and well-recognized healthcare practitioner or practitioners. So don't live in ignorance. If your child has an appropriate weight according to his age, eats well, sleeps well, and is very active, your child is healthy. And stop blaming your child for a body that is not running in your family. Check around. Which of your family member is big or have the body of that child you're comparing your child to? Check. Yes, you check. Till I come your way again, keep being fabulous. And remember, do well to subscribe to the 360-degree channel on all social media handles. So I'm on Facebook, I'm on LinkedIn, I'm on YouTube, I'm on Instagram, and on TikTok.